Hey everybody, Kevin Draco, Appliance Factory in Mattress Kingdom. As you know, we're always here to give you insider tips, the best time to buy appliances. Right now, we have a major, not a major, but a second tier holiday going on, which is Columbus Day. So there's really good pricing right now across the board. If you're looking at replacing your appliances, this is an excellent time. However, what I really wanted to talk to you about today is price increases on major appliances. Here's what we know, right? Tariffs. The Korean brands have met their quotas and they're now being tariffed. As well, there's a steel tariff and a components tariff. And at the end of the day, here's what it means to you. Funneled all down is all major appliance vendors are going to be giving a price increase. We don't know the totals yet, but I could tell you they're probably going to fall somewhere between 8 and 12%, which is somewhat significant. So if you're thinking, well, I'm going to hang on, I'm not going to buy my appliances, I think you're making a mistake because you're going to be paying that much more for them. It's unavoidable. Get out, get your appliances now to avoid that increase in the long run. You're going to save a lot of money because after all, you're not buying an appliance to have it for 5 months, 6 months, 3 months. You're buying to have it, hopefully, for 7 to 10 years. So you're going to get more value for your money right now. Again, it's coming. Several of the manufacturers have already announced their price increases. Several more are waiting to announce their price increases. But at the end of the day, price increasing is happening. Don't wait. Get good value for your money right now. That's the best advice I have for you. If you like the information I just gave to you, please subscribe on the button below, and we'll talk to you next week with some more great deals and great pricing.